In this video, I want us to look at how to create effective teaching videos. This is your presenter, Professor Kibet. What is a video? A video is a virtual medium that helps the individuals or students in understanding the concepts better. A video lesson or a lecture is a video which presents educational material for a topic which is to be learned. The format may vary. It might be a video of a teacher speaking to the camera, photographs, a text about the topic, or some mixture of this. A video lesson is a lesson that contains an educational video on a specific topic. It helps educators present the information in an interactive and interesting way. This video examines how to create effective teaching videos. So in the following section, I will be presenting how to create effective teaching videos. 1. Choose the video type that works best for you and your students. You can choose among screencasts, that is recording what is displayed on your screen, like PowerPoint, using software like Screencast-O-Matic or Camtasia. Talking head, that is close-up shots of an instructor's head, recording live training or demonstrations, or using animations. Number 2, set up your environment. Find a quiet environment that no one will interrupt you. Turn off any computer notifications or messages that might pop up. 3. Introduce yourself. A video is like a one-on-one conversation with the students. Introducing yourselves allows you to have certain interaction and make connections with the students. Number 4, keep each video segment short. Our attention span are short, so it's best to give each instructional video within 6 to 9 minutes. Research has suggested that shorter videos are more engaging. Number 5, instructor presence is important. If you choose screencasting, having your own headset at the corner of the screen would be helpful to make the students feel close to you. 6, talk directly to the camera. When recording yourself talking, look right at the camera lens so your audience can feel the eye contact with you. You can put a photo or an object that you like above your camera to help you make some emotional connections. Talk naturally. Number 7, it is better not to script your videos. Just talk naturally as you would in real classrooms. You can use notes or outlines to help you focus on key concepts, but do not read texts on the slides. Record in one shot and edit later. And if you make mistakes, start over again. Simply pause or say mistake. You can always edit whatever mistakes you have made. Number 9, stick with one major point in a video. Explain the concept of skill first, then present a real live example in different contexts. For example, engage, explore, explain, and extend may be useful to prepare your content. Number 10, it's good to use guiding questions. So to keep students engaged, instead of passively sitting there and listening to you, you can actually use questions. Ask as many questions as you can. But as you do so, you need to be pausing so enable the learners to digest what you are saying. Number 11, highlight key concepts. Use on-screen text or animations to zoom in to highlight important parts. This could help reduce extraneous load of learners by helping them focus on important information. So that is to say that actually you need to be focusing on the main concepts. And lastly, accessibility. Make sure to provide captions or text transcripts if your video containing audio is going to be made available publicly. This is required for viewers with hearing impairments and would also benefit the non-native speakers. So this marks the end of this video presentation. And in our video today, we were able to look at various ways of creating effective teaching videos. If you like this video, kindly subscribe. You can share or you can even like. Thank you.